Sa panahon na kailangan naming aralin ulit. Hi. Isa rin ba yan sa mga nagiging problema mo? Nakakalimutan mo yung sasabihin mo sa bawat video or vlogs mo? Almost 1 to 2 hours mong sinushoot ang isang 10 minutes video. It's not easy to memorize and project in front of the camera. Maybe you might consider this solution for you to one of the portable teleprompter, the Desview T2 teleprompter. And for today's video, we'll unbox and try this. Without further ado, let's now unbox the T2 Desview teleprompter na swak sa mga smartphone, tablet, DSLR, and mirrorless camera nyo. By the way guys, nabili ko tong teleprompter na to sa Facebook Marketplace and ilalagay ko yung link sa description. First, bubungat sa atin ng manual in different languages. Dito rin natin makikita kung paano nga ba i-assemble ang teleprompter. Then, we also have the teleprompter itself. So, ito yung may reflective mirror and dito natin nababasa or dito nagre-reflect yung phone natin. Meron ding black box. At dito sa box nakalagay ang adapter ring. We have 49mm adapter ring, 83mm, 58mm, 52, 67, 77, 72mm, 55, 62. Meron din tayong mga tornilyo na gagamitin sa smartphone clamp. And of course, we have the smartphone clamp na dito natin lalagay yung smartphone natin to reflect. Meron din tayong phone ring na pwede natin gamitin sa mga phone natin if ever wala tayong camera. Meron din tayong mas malaking clamp na pwede sa mga tablet natin. And lastly, we have the microfiber cloth. Meron tayong teleprompter remote na pwede nating navigate, stop, bagalan, bilisan, yung babasahin natin. I-connect lang to sa Bluetooth ng mga smartphone devices natin. Take note na wala pa tong kasamang battery kaya need nating bumili ng AAA battery. This teleprompter is very compact and portable and only need to attach to camera lens or you can also use your phone. It's also have a teleprompter app using yung Apple or iOS devices nyo. Just go to Play Store or Apple Store and search for Bestview app. And now, let's proceed on how we assemble the teleprompter. So, for my Sigma 16mm, I use the 67mm adapter ring. Iikot lang natin ang adapter ring sa lens ng camera natin. Let's ensure na malinis ang lens. And slowly nating ikabit ang teleprompter sa lens adapter. And now, ikabit na natin ang ating smartphone na dito magre-reflect kung ano nga ba yung babasahin natin. And currently, ito na ang setup natin. How it works, the lines of the mobile phone interface are reflected into the transparent glass mirror of the inscription device so that the speaker can look at the camera and speak. So I decided to buy this teleprompter because I'm struggling in every video shoot. I'm a full-time financial analyst and only have the chance to edit when I have free time. So if the production is long, then the editing is also long. It's so beneficial, especially if you're doing a script and really need to memorize a lot to a video or vlog, especially if nag-i-involve siya ng maraming details. So, hindi naman lahat tayo ay good public speakers and great in memorization. I'm hoping na maging more efficient ang workflow ko sa pag-shoot and pag-edit ng video. For me, the T2 Desview Teleprompter is a good addition to your vlogging accessory. So that's all guys. So I hope nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to, and if nakatulong naman, please like this video and smash the subscribe button. Again, this is ALBERTP and see you sa next vlog. Bye-bye. Peace.